Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do those pop-out graphics that you see and posted probably on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. So we're going to show you how to do that today. Hi, I'm Shay and I own Polka Dot Impression, where we make DIY printables, planners, learning materials, you name it, I can probably design it and make it for you and teach you how to make it too. So let's go. I'm going to use an Instagram square post to start. And then I'm going to find, let's say, we're going to do a fall theme, right? It's November, it's cozy, it's fall, it's gotten cooler. So we're going to do a fall theme. So I want to find a fall background. Inside a home. Fall decor. So we'll use that. Let's see here. And then let's find our image. The one that I used. Let's just go to the one that I used. Recently used this one here. We're going to make that our background. Okay. And then we're going to find a picture of a girl just drinking coffee early mornings. I picked this one, so we'll choose this one, but you can use whatever image. And I'm going to remove the background. Okay, just going to make her a little bigger, about right there. Okay, and then we're going to grab a square to make our post, right? We're going to make the border about 30 in weight. Is that, yeah. Change the color of the border and change the color of the inside of the square. Did I choose graphic? I did not mean to choose graphic. The graphic square will not let you change the inside color. So we're going to do the regular square image. Change the color to white, change the inside to non-existent, and I'm gonna just tilt it a little bit. I want her hair to make it pop out. Some of it has to be outside of the frame. The picture that you want to pop out has to be somewhat out of the frame. So I think that looks good there. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of want her like that. And then I'm going to do another square. And we're going to make just extend the bottom so it looks like a post. Okay. And if it's not matching up, you know, all the way like a seamless line, I like to zoom in and get it right there so that it looks seamless. Okay. I think the other side is good. Yeah. Okay, so she's looking like a little post so far. Oh. Okay, now what we're going to do is make her pop out. So we're going to grab her image, we're going to duplicate it. So now she's on the top. And all we're going to do is just crop all the way up to where it's not on the white bottom section where the post will be. And there she is. She's popped out, right? Okay, so then we're going to add our text. I love it here. Make that big. And I'm going to do it across the screen like this. I like the font. I love the font Brittany. So I'm going to use that one. Make it a little bit bigger again, right here. So they can't really see what it says. So I'm going to, because first of all, we're going to bring it behind her. Layer that behind her. And then I'm going to add in a fade. Okay, and so the fade, let's see here, recently used. I use this fade here. And I made it the color, once you add in a photo onto the canvas, Canva will recommend the photo colors. So I'm going to use this dark brown. Just bring it up there and drag it across. And then I'm going to position it behind her as well. So it looks like that. So now we can kind of see the lettering. I'm going to click on the letters, the wording, and I'm going to change it. I like maybe like a cream color. I want it a little light. Actually, this fade, I want to bring it up some so it's not so faded. So dark over the letters. Okay. So we have that. My wording. I want to bring it up a little bit. Okay. Now all we have to do is do our Instagram post. So I looked up Instagram postings, and let me see, I found which one? This one that will let me crop out everything. And just put it on there. I actually have to make a duplicate because this side needs to be stretched out a little bit more. So I'm just going to decrease the size of these things to make it look a little more realistic. There we go. Bring this up a little more. Okay, and then we're going to write in our post. Early mornings. You take first sip of coffee in the let me put this in the bottom so you can see what I'm typing. I'm going to change the font to Arial and the color to black. Okay. Okay. So there's our post. Just increase the size a little bit, and I'm going to make it kind of even. So if you like this tutorial, please like, comment down below what you would like me to do next. Share it to someone who does graphic art like this or would love to do a post like this. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.